Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may not have used Cash App before or have just heard of it. Either way, if you haven't signed up for Cash App just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you do, we'll each get $5 instantly deposited into our Cash App balance. Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys, but let's go on and get started. Now, when you first log on to Cash App, this is what your quote-unquote homepage is going to look like, where you could actually request or send money. So we have this request button where, let's say if I input $50 here and then click on request, I can request it from anyone who I've recently requested from Cash App before. Likewise, if I click on pay, I could actually send this to other Cash App users as well. So you'll notice at the upper hand side, it's using my debit card to actually pay with Cash App. But if I click on this toggle menu, and keep in mind it's going to be blurred out, you could actually go ahead and fund this payment through a variety of different ways. So you can fund it with a credit card, or you can fund it with your Cash App balance, or you can fund it with your debit card. So if I go ahead and actually exit out of here, all you have to do is enter someone's name, phone number, email, or cash tag, and then you can insert a note and then actually click on pay. Now with this here, you could actually go ahead and on the bottom left hand side, click on the $9 icon. This shows your cash balance. So you could actually have a cash balance within Cash App itself. You could add money, you could withdraw money. You can even buy and sell cryptocurrency as well. So if you haven't watched one of my other videos on my channel, I go over how to do that. If we go ahead and actually scroll down, there's other buttons here where you can start a savings account, start a stocks account, or start a taxes account as well. More ways to add money. You can actually set up Cash App to be a direct deposit. You can get bank or wire transfers as well. You can even deposit paper money at retailers, let's say CVS or 7-Elevens that also have or participating within Cash App deposits. You can deposit a check, and you can even do recurring deposits from Cash App as well. It's very important to note that Cash App is FDIC insured up to $250,000 per person, which means that if for some reason something goes wrong with Cash App, you are insured at least $250,000, which is what FDIC means. Now, if we go ahead and scroll up, as far as adding money goes and withdrawing money goes, it's pretty self-explanatory from there. You could even get yourself a Cash App card. So from this page here, it's currently blurred out, but I do have my own Cash App card as well. And as far as the bottom right icon, clock icon goes, this is where your history is going to go. So right now this is blurred out, but it just shows a recent activity as far as other Cash App transactions go. Now the most important button, or one of the most important menu buttons of this, is the upper right hand corner where you can click on your profile. And here is where you can actually set up your linked banks. You can set up your personal settings, account settings, security and privacy, also invite other family members. But either way, this right here is basically a brief overview of how to use Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use Cash App, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.